Mark Lobainer, TigerFitness.com from Kareem. Kareem! Best protein for muscle building. Casein versus isolate. I think neither. I like MTS Nutrition Whey. I like Concentrate. You can read my write-up on that on the MTS Nutrition Whey page on TigerFitness.com. I like the fact that Whey Concentrate has all its beneficial immune factors and everything else included with a little bit of isolate to keep the carbs and fats down. Between Casein versus Whey Isolate, though, if that was my only choice, I'd go with Whey Isolate due to its high biological value. See? I can be impartial too, but I am partial to shit I make because stuff I make is based on my beliefs. Best test booster, DAA versus Tribulus. He put Terip. Tribulus versus Fenugreek. I like D-aspartic acid as my favorite test booster. I also like fenugreek extract, standardized from fenucides, as in Testofen. That's another great product. Helps with libido, also helps with, I believe, testosterone. Tribulus, in very high doses, maybe, but in the doses we see on the market, waste of time. Best anti-estrogen, I like what's in Erase Pro. LaChique has another one called AD3, which is good. And what else is there? You know, calcium diglucarate is good. I mean, things like that are good anti-estrogens. Diindolylmethane is good. Those are some more natural alternatives. So those are things to look at, and those are my opinions on what to do with those. Mark Lobainer, TigerFitness.com. Peace out.